The brightest and the largest object in the night sky is the moon. It is the closest astronomical object to Earth. It is big, bright, and arguably best known to us. There are about 116 moons in our solar system, but we humans call our moon as the moon with capital M because it is important for us. It is the only fifth largest moon in our solar system. It is less than a third of width of Earth. By the numbers, it has a diameter of 3,474 km. It orbits Earth at 3,84,400 km. That means 30 Earth-sized planets could fit between Earth and the moon. Our moon is slowly moving away from Earth, getting about an inch farther away each year. Its gravitational influence is the main driver of Earth's tides. It is also known as Luna in Latin, which means lunar. It is the only place beyond Earth where humans have set foot so far. The moon is rotating at the same rate that it revolves around Earth. This is known as synchronous rotation. That is the reason why the same hemisphere of our moon faces the Earth all the time. The other hemisphere, which is never seen from Earth, is called as the Farside. The moon makes a complete orbit around Earth in 27 Earth days. The internal structure of the moon is roughly similar to Earth. It has a solid iron inner core, a liquid outer core, and thick mantle, and a crust of lighter materials on top. The core is small, probably 350 km in radius, and still hot, but not hot as Earth's core. The crust has a thickness about 43 miles on Moon's near side hemisphere, that is, the side which faces Earth all the time, and 93 miles on the far side of the Moon. The Moon's near side, which is seen from the Earth and easiest to observe, is divided into two distinct regions: Highlands, which are heavily cratered, and Maria, Latin for seas, which are darker and smoother. The craters in Highlands are from countless impacts from the eons from the asteroids and comets. Rocks from these regions have dated 4 billion years old, nearly as old as Moon itself. The dark features called Maria are impact basins that were filled with lava between 4.2 and 1.2 billion years ago. These light and dark areas represent rocks of different composition and ages. If you look in the right places on the moon, you would find pieces of equipments, flags, and even cameras left behind by astronauts. While you were there, you would notice that the gravity of the surface of the moon is 1/6 of Earth's. The far side of the moon was mostly hidden to the human history. But in the year 1959, the Soviet Union flew the Luna 3 space probe around the moon, photographing the far side for first time. Everyone thought that the far side will be similar to near side of the moon. But shockingly, scientists found out that there are no Marias on the far side, and observations from lunar probes that have crossed above lunar surface showed that the crust of the far side is thicker than it is on near side. Now the moon has started to reveal its mysteries. To know the answers of these mysteries, we have to know how the moon has formed 4.5 billion years ago. One of the leading theory which explains the origin of our moon is that a Mars-sized body named Theia collided with our Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. The resulting debris from this collision accumulated to form our natural satellite, that is our moon. The moon has many craters. These craters have formed during heavy bombardment era roughly 4 billion years ago during the formation of our solar system. Craters are the result of impacts of asteroids or comets with lunar surface. This results creates a depression in the surface. Few craters may be very huge. They can stretch for kilometers, and few others may be small. Craters depends on which type of asteroids or comets hits the surface. For example, if a binary asteroid hits the surface, then it forms a double crater. There are many big, small craters present on lunar surface. There are many dormant lunar volcanoes, lunar lava tubes, and dry lava river channels present on our moon. In year 2008, India's lunar probe Chandrayaan-1 made a breakthrough sensational discovery. It detected water on lunar surface. It is a big boon to the future colonists who will create colonies on our moon. What do you think about how the lunar base will look like? Comment down in the box. Every day we see different shapes of the moon, right? In the next episode, let us unlock the mysteries of why the moon have different faces.